In another update, the Supreme Court today made strong remarks directed at the special investigation team set up by Haryana Police to probe Ashoka University professor Ali Khan Mahmudabad over two social media posts related to Operation Sindoor. The controversy began after the Ashoka University professor posted online commentary on the Operation Sindoor. FIRs were filed under sections 196, 152 and other provisions of Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita against him related to communal harmony, national sovereignty and modesty of women. In May, the Supreme Court granted him interim bail while asking the Haryana DGP to form an SIT to understand the complexity of the expressions used in those posts. Today, senior advocate Kapil Sibal, appearing for Mahmudabad, informed the court that the professor was being repeatedly summoned, that his devices were seized and that questions were being asked about his travel history over the past 10 years. Something the court never authorized. A bench led by Justice Suryakant questioned as to why the SIT was expanding its scope far beyond the court's original directions. The SIT, the court said, was meant to examine just two specific posts and not dig into unrelated matters like professors' foreign trips or seize his devices without clear purpose. It reminded the state of Haryana of its own May 28th order, which had clearly stated that the SIT's investigation should focus only on the content and language of the posts and whether they attracted any criminal liability. Additional Solicitor General S.V. Raju, representing the state today, tried to defend the probe, saying that how to conduct the investigation was the prerogative of the investigating officer and that all incriminating aspects had to be examined. But Sibal countered this argument, saying that there cannot be a roving inquiry. He added that the petitioner had been summoned 4 times. The court recorded in its order that since the professor had already handed over his devices and cooperated with the probe, he should not be summoned again. It has directed the SIT to finish the investigation within 4 weeks now. The court also reiterated that interim bail conditions merely restrict Mahmudabad from commenting on the sub judice matter, but he is otherwise free to express his views on unrelated topics. Importantly, the court also questioned Haryana government about whether it had responded to National Human Rights Commission, which took cognizance of how the FIRs against Mahmudabad were registered.